It was just any other day. When I felt like making it special. A day when we felt free. How was your day?
Tough, but I'm glad to see you're in good mood.
Yeah. I was just thinking, how about we go to the beach?
You read my mind.
Hey, Kia, what's the most beautiful beach nearby?
One of the most beautiful beaches nearby.
A little escape from the everyday. A moment to simply relax. Here in the freedom of everyday life. To do whatever we want, whenever we want.
Kia, movement that inspires.